Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 14th of September 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed positive at 20,103.1, up 33.1 points. Long build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 16,051 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 20,700, with OI increased by 1,416.64%. Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 19,000, with OI increased by 626.21%. Banknifty closed positive at 46,000.85, up 91.4 points. Short covering seen in Banknifty with decreased OI minus 5,251.8 contracts. Banknifty option buildups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 48,000, with OI increased by 1,134.38%. Banknifty support or put option OI buildup at 46,000, with OI increased by 2,708.03%. Cash market positions. FII today bought 294.69 CR. DII today sold minus 50.79 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII sold 185.51 CR in index futures. Also sold 17,197.19 CR in index option. They sold 748.57 CR in stocks futures. And sold 1.43 CR in stocks option. Net sold 18,132.71 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 4,370 long contracts and added 6,100 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in index with 58,837 contracts compared to previous 60,567 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 21,607 long contracts and added 30,635 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 90,421 contracts compared to previous minus 81,393 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII closed 121,356 call long and closed 211,640 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to minus 332,996 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII closed 186,125 put long and closed 83,942 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to minus 270,067 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 390,271 contracts compared to previous 364,756 contracts. And net call long is 323,424 contracts compared to previous 360,838 contracts. FII net option buildups. Option buildups on short side is more than long side suggests that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.